we got is this flip phone, which my grandpa calls it a flip top. Well, I guess that's a good name for it too. And today we're going to slam it on everything. So yeah, it's Smash Phones here, and we're just gonna slam it on everything. Let's start with the antenna first. I'm probably gonna destroy it sooner or later. I don't think I'm allowed to do this at my apartment complex because they're probably gonna kick us out or something. Oh no, it's damaging it. Here, let's do it outside. Seems a lot safer to do it outside. It's cold out here. And yes, just a few days ago, my guinea pig died. So that's why her cage is out here. Now we're just going to try where this LED is. Ooh, nasty damage. Let's see what it does here. Oh yeah, it does really good damage. Let's damage. Just let's do some more damage. Ooh, that's sick. Let's see if it works. Because I did hit the logic board like a few times. See if it's still working. Alright, hold on. Cat, what are you doing? And it's working.